Hello, today we're going to be learning I Got Rhythm on the ukulele, and we're going to be playing the melody, not the chords. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's start with level 1. Okay, so for the very first section, for level 1, you are going to put your first finger on the second string from the bottom, and that's the E string. Okay, and you're just going to pluck that string with the first finger on the first fret. And then your second note is on the third fret of the same string. Okay, so I'll do that again. So it's the first fret and then the third fret. Now all you do to complete level 1 is the same again, but on the bottom string, the A string. Okay, see what I did there? So I did the first fret and the third fret of the E string, and then the bottom string, first fret and third fret. We'll do that again. And that is level 1. Let me show you an easier way to do it, and I find this an easier way to deal with it. I put my first finger on the first fret and my second finger on the third fret. First finger, second finger. And it just makes it easier. Look, I can do it quicker now. So my fingers are creeping. Do, 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 do. There we go. So that is level 1. Have a little practice now and see if you can complete that first level. Okay, now for level 2. Now level 2, you are doing the opposite of what you just did. So we just did these 4 notes. For level 2, all you have to do is go back the other way. So I'm starting where I finished. Third, first fret, third fret, first fret. Okay, so it's the bottom string, third fret and first fret. And then the second string up from the bottom, third and first fret. Okay, so that's level 2. Let me show you again. Now when you practice putting both of those together, it will sound like this. So you make sure you do the last note of level 1 twice actually, don't you? Because listen, you do there, 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 and then do it again and come back. So that's level 1 and 2. Have a practice. Okay, level 3 is in 2 sections. The first part of level 3 is what we did at the very start. So we just do level 1 all over again, watch. However, we have a slightly different finish. This time we don't go back like we did before. Okay, we're going to do this slightly different passage. All you're going to do is on the bottom string, our A string, you're going to play 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So that's first fret and play it twice, third fret and play it twice, and first fret play it once, which is why I said 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, and that's all on the bottom string. Always make sure you're plucking the string your finger is on. Don't make the mistake of putting your finger on this string, for example, and plucking the other string. Make sure you're plucking the string that the finger is pressed down on here. Okay, so let me play the whole of that section through. And welcome to the hardest part, level 4. The higher the levels go, the harder they get. So this is the trickiest one of all. So you need to find fret number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have a dot showing you where that fret is. There's a dot, or there could be a dot on the edge of your ukulele, which is easier because you can see that easier from where you're looking down at the ukulele. And what we need to do is this following passage. Listen. Okay, I'll do that again. And you'll notice this is all on the bottom string to start with. Okay, now I'm playing fret 5 3 times. Okay, and then fret 7 once. 5, 5, 5, 7. Now the best thing to do is, as I showed you before, is to play your first finger and then your second finger on the fret 7. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to slide this one back to fret 5. And that's a tricky bit, isn't it? Okay, so this whole passage, let me show you again. Slide this here. And that last note is on the second string from the bottom, fret 3. We've actually played that one before, haven't we? Okay, so it's on the E string, fret 3. So let me show you that one more time, because this is a tricky bit. And then here. I'll show you again. Okay, have a little practice with that, because that is a tricky bit to learn. And the final part of level 4 is the same pattern we just did, but a bit lower down. We're going to start on the 3rd fret and go to the 5th. I'll do that again. And then slide again like we did before. Oh, that's a challenge, isn't it? I'll show you again. So it's the same pattern we did before, but we just lower down the ukulele here. So fret 3 on the bottom string to fret 5. So we do 3 of those. Then fret 5, and then slide your finger to fret 3. And then the second string from the bottom, 1st fret, last note. Okay, let me show you the whole of passage 4. This is how it goes. Fantastic. That's the end of level 4. And we're nearly done. To finish the song, it's exactly the same as we did at the start. So level 5 is what we did at the start of the song. So let me just remind you how that went. That's level 5, and that's the whole song complete. So well done, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Now the key thing is to go on to level 6, the boss level. So this is the big finish. We are now going to play the whole song. So you'll have a lovely backing track helping you along with playing it, so you can play it in time. You'll see me playing it as well, so you know that you're doing it correctly. Have a good go, keep rewinding it and keep practicing it, and it will sound really, really good if you play it as a class together. Best of luck, bye for now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.